Hello everybody, it's the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to get into some technical analysis on XRP. In addition to that, we're going to get into some very important news regarding XRP. But before we get into any of that, do me a quick favor, hit that like and subscribe button and even share the video, helps me out a ton. And now let's get into today's news. So XRP is up about 2% on the day, about roughly. It's at about 62 cents, a little bit over, and things have been really consolidating lately. Some people have been a little bit distraught that we haven't had the same explosive growth we had like last week or a couple days ago even. But what things are looking like right now, yeah, that was on November 25th. Through the 21st, we had a ton of growth. But even so, even though we're not having the same amount of growth, things right now are still looking very nice. If you look at the technical side of things, we are holding support. We're having higher lows. And that is something that you always want to see when you're investing in a crypto asset. And that is we are holding support. You can see we were testing this line a little bit, this little trend line right here. We've been testing it and we've been holding on it, okay? So we are still in an upwards moving price channel. And you could see about right here, this orange line, once we break above that, we will be in a new price channel between that yellow line and that orange line. And you can kind of see nicely how this is all working. Moving on to the other indicators, we had the vortex indicator where we had a reverse crossing over here, but we had a positive crossing over here. And if we go on to the daily chart, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Even on the daily chart, when you go into it, we are still on the good side of things. When you want this blue line to be above this purple line, that's exactly where we are right now. Okay, I was looking at the 4 hour before, depending on what time frame you're looking at, but on the 1 day chart, we're still very healthy on the vortex indicator. Now, another thing I'm looking at right now is RSI. And RSI has been looking very good right now because we're not too overbought, we're not oversold, we're just holding steady, okay? On the MACD indicator, not too much to talk about there. We're having a crossing every so often, a couple times a day we're having a crossing. Can't really go into too much there. And on the directional movement index, I know it's kind of hard to see, but this green line is still above this red line, showing an upwards moving market. So what does this all mean? Well, essentially, XRP is in an accumulation phase. We had a huge upwards of price, right over here, a huge high price action, all the way up to about a little bit over 80 cents, depending on what exchange you're looking on. This is to BitMEX, which is, a good way to look at it, okay? And we came down a little bit, we had some correction, and now we're consolidating, but we're still consolidating upwards, okay? We're consolidating upwards, which is a very healthy sign. XRP is behaving as a market should, okay? Now, I know there's gonna be some people in the comments who are gonna be like, well, I bought at 80 cents. When's it going back up? I think it's gonna go way higher than 80 cents, guys, all right? Especially if you're holding for the long term. You just have to be patient. You just have to keep your eyes on the prize, and things are looking healthy. I mean, what else could you ask for? We had a huge uptick. We had a nice little price correction, and now we're just, we're going sideways, but on a slight slant upwards, which is exactly what we want to be looking for. We're still above the 50-day moving average. Things are looking very healthy, okay? Now, this is not financial advice, just my opinion, but I do think XRP in the long term is going to go north of $8, all right? So now let's get into today's news regarding XRP, and that is on volume. Trading volume on eToro is up 1,151%. A lot of people are trying to get in on XRP right now, okay? You can see in the chart here, Bitcoin was up about 221%. XRP was outperforming all these other coins. It was outperforming Bitcoin, it was outperforming Ethereum, Cardano, Stellar, Tron, Litecoin, IOTA, Tezos, and Bitcoin Cash. And this is on trading activity, all right? This is how much trading activity has gone up, all right? So this is not on price necessarily. This is on trading activity, which means a lot of newer traders and investors are getting in, buying, selling, which is a good sign for XRP, all right? Simon Peters, a market analyst at eToro, explained that XRP's increase on a month-to-month trading activity is entirely logical, okay? He emphasized that trading volumes typically accompanied large price moves. That's the key here, guys. Trading volume is going up. XRP is holding steady. This, to me, is a sign we are getting ready to have a big move up, all right? Because if we look at the directional movement index, let's go on the one daily for a second, right? One daily. Look at this. Look how much separation. This red line is above this green line. We are an upwards trending market. We are an upwards trending market, and everything indicates it. Now, on top of that, we have a ton of volume coming up. Volume always comes up before there's a large move to the high or the low. It could be either way. But the fact that all the technicals are supporting XRP as a bullish investment, that's making me think a big move on XRP to the upside is coming. And I hope you're prepared for it, because I think a lot of money is going to be made. I think it's going to make the last uptick look like nothing. And I think this is going to be one of the many upticks from now to the end of 2021 that we're going to see. So over the next year, we're going to see multiple huge spikes in volume, followed by a huge price increase with XRP. Now, the volume comes in, it doesn't happen immediately, the price doesn't immediately go up. It can take days to weeks, even months, even usually weeks, when we start to see the price be affected by the volume, okay? Now, if you enjoyed the video, once again, leave a like, subscribe, share it. I really am trying to get more content out. I've been putting out daily videos all the time. If you don't see a video, make sure you're subscribed, because that way you will get the video. And I've been live streaming here and there. If you enjoy the live streams, let me know. I could try to fit in more live streams. But thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. And as always, have a great day. Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.